you're on board the Steez with the Helio IMUF, and we got Odin loaded up. First flight, everything's stock on the PIDs. All I've done is add my Expo. I didn't even change the rates, so this is gonna be a stock Odin tune on whatever the file is I got from Tim 2 nights ago. So you ready to take a roll? Let's do it. I ain't flown very much lately, so
excuse me while I whip this out.
Hashtag never say last pack.
Some dude's playing disc golf. They're actually about to launch one over. I should go over there and take a flight with it. Follow the discs.